am Dr. Sudha Ashwin, presently serving as Research Officer in Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, that is CCRS, an apex body for research in Ayurveda under Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. I am from the 1980 to 1994 batch, that is the second batch of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Vechuchara, Pathanamthitta district, Kerala. Getting selected to JNV was a breakthrough moment in my life, especially hailing from a small village, Kulanada, where the basic amenities like electricity, water supply and transport facility were not proper. And studying in an English medium school with CBSE syllabus was a far-reaching dream for me then. The life in JNV was a voyage of learning and inspiration, which had woven the elementary and righteous qualities of being human and unveiling the hidden potential and igniting that scientific spirit with a passion for success. Ajnanatimirandhasya jnananjana shalakaya chakshurunmilitam yena tasya Sri Gurave Namaha. I take this opportunity to offer my pranams to all my JNV gurus who had removed the darkness of ignorance and enlightened us to the world of knowledge by creating the qualities of perseverance, discipline, honesty, humbleness, sharing, caring, compassion, and flexibility, and giving wings to our dreams. Due to my limited financial situation, it was not possible for me to go for a formal entrance coaching. In spite of all that, I got selected to a government Ayurveda college, and it was only because of the dedicated teaching and training which I got from my classrooms. I topped in all three professions at Government Ayurveda College Trivandrum and achieved first rank with gold medal from the Kerala University. I was also blessed to receive another gold medal for becoming the state topper and was awarded as the best outgoing BAMS student from Kerala for the year 2003. That was followed by many more success stories of awards, accolades like Nagarjuna Research Foundation Award, Vaidyamadam Award, etc. I pursued my post-graduation in Ayurvedic Psychiatry from the world-renowned institution for Ayurveda, that is Vaidyaratnam P.S. Warrior Ayurveda College, Kottakkal. I started my career in the field of Ayurveda as a teacher and clinician, guiding the students and healing the patients. The values inculcated from JNV only molded me into a Vaidya, which is aptly described in Ayurveda that Jnana Buddhi Pradipena Yona Avishadi Yogivat Adurasya Andaratmanam Nasarokam Chikilsyadi. That means, a Vaidya cannot heal a patient unless he ponder into the inner soul of the patient with the light of the knowledge he acquired and the intelligence he has developed. That is, a true Vaidya with humility only can heal the body, mind and soul of a patient. The learning, teaching and experience of working as a professor and head of the department of an Ayurveda college has helped me to acquire the position as a research officer in CCRS with an aim to re-establish Ayurveda as a frontline medical system of the nation and to bring back its lost glory through research and development. In the unprecedented time of COVID-19 pandemic, CCRS and Ministry of Ayush are putting tenacious and untiring efforts to prove the therapeutic and prophylactic effect of Ayush systems. And I am proud to be a part of the Ayush team and pay back to the society what I have earned from them. Presently working in the Ayurvedic Research Unit of Dr. RML Hospital at the National Capital, New Delhi, I got an opportunity to represent the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Vechuchara to meet the Minister of HRD to submit a representation for solving the pension-related issues of the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya teachers, who are the real unsung heroes. I like to thank God for giving this opportunity to serve the nation by bringing smiles to the poor, ailing patient through the indigenous medical system of India. I am indebted to the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya family for whatever I am today, and I am a proud Navodaya. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.